Hi there, students. Sheen, a noun. You can also have an adjective sheeny, but it's not very common. Okay, a sheen is a bright, smooth, glossy, shiny surface. So, when I washed my hair, the conditioner gave it a beautiful, lustrous sheen. Yeah, a gloss, a luster, a special shine. Yeah, the velvet had a beautiful sheen to the surface, a gleam, like a gloss. Yeah, it had a polish, it shone. Okay, so it has something with a smooth, gentle brightness on its surface. The surface of the water had a silvery sheen to it, like a gleam or a shine, something like that. Let's see, this word sheen is easy to remember. You know the actor Martin Sheen, yeah, who was in Apocalypse Now, and his son, Charlie Sheen. Well, these are actors' names, but Sheen. Okay, so it's a good name, a sheen. Something with a splendid radiance, a shininess. Yeah, he put Brill cream on his hair and it gave it a sheen. Yeah, it gave it an oily sheen, a reflective, and beautiful look. Yeah, the candlelight gave her dress the most beautiful sheen. Yeah, the most beautiful shininess, the most beautiful brightness. Yeah, it was like it was burnished. It had a beautiful shiny patina. Yeah, so if something has a sheen, it's shiny. The dog was really healthy and his coat had a beautiful sheen to it. Okay, so it's like this shininess. Yeah, it's like a shiny, beautiful, soft colour, a soft feeling. And this is what they mean by sheen. Yeah, it had a very sheeny look to it. You could probably use sheeny like that though as well. So yes, the musician gave a beautiful sheen to the sound of the instrument. You see, there I've used it metaphorically. A beautiful feeling, a beautiful shine to it. The artist, with his deft strokes, gave a subtle sheen to the light and dark areas of the picture. Yeah. Okay, the surface had a beautiful sheen to it. Her lips had a glossy sheen caused by the lipstick. Okay, so formality. I think I'd probably give this 5.5. It sounds a little bit literary, but not very, and I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. As to origin, okay, there was an Old English word, skien, meaning beautiful, fair, bright, brilliant. And that comes from Proto-Germanic, skaunis, meaning beautiful, from the Proto-Indo-European word, squith, something like that anyway. Okay, so a sheen, a beautiful shiny surface, a special radiance, a special shininess. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sheen, Sheeny.